Hello and welcome to our introduction of the Daisycon Advertiser platform. In this series of videos, we would like to show you everything that you need to know to manage successfully your own affiliate program. In this video, we would like to show you the general dashboard and the overview it gives you.
Welcome in MyDaisycon, your Daisycon dashboard. Here you can find all the important details of your affiliate program. The most important part in your dashboard is the task summary. You can see all open tasks that require your input or action from you. This includes the approval of transactions and the approval of publishers who subscribe their media to your campaign. But you will also find messages from publishers, mails from publishers that are pending approval, and outstanding invoices. The great thing about the task summary is that you can click on each item, which will redirect you straight to that part of your account. We will start by showing you one of the most important parts of your affiliate program, publisher management.